Namaste to all of you. Today I am going to discuss a beautiful Ayurvedic product called Kaunch. Kaunch, Latin name is Mucuna pruriens, and it's widely used in India in different type of diseases. And nowadays it's also very famous in Europe. They have found out that this helps in so many mental diseases. So I'm going to talk about its actions. On the very first place, it's known in Ayurveda from the very beginning that conch seeds are androgenic in nature. Androgenic in nature means they are vrishya. Vrishya is that what maintains male characters, that is increasing testosterone, that gives you good sex drive and is being used in low libido. So in Ayurvedic terms, this is Vajikaran. And Ayurveda suggests that everybody should use Vajikaran after the age of 50 years. So for men, for males, this is very good herb to include in daily life if they want to enjoy their life. That it takes care of male hormones, testosterone. And then it has got very good quality. What for it's famous in Europe, that it has got a sort of amino acid, what we call L-dopa, that is precursor, that what makes dopamine. And you know that dopamine's deficiency, that what leads to Parkinson. So patients with all this type of diseases, what has to do with the coordination, where dopamine is needed, where dopamine is not sufficient being produced in the body, then we use Kapikachu or Kaunch Mucuna pruriens. Kapikachu is also name of this. So where there is lack of dopamine production in the body, then we have to give this L-dopa containing Ayurvedic herb called Kaunch. Then in Ayurveda, it's being known as Brihan. Brihan is anabol. Anabol means that it builds your body tissues. It gives you more muscles, it gives you more bones, it gives you all type of body tissues. So people, those who wants to have good body tissues, like gym goers, they are doing so much exercise to make their muscles, then they should be using anabol type of medicine, and this is natural anabol. So this increases quality and quantity wise all body tissues. So this increases production of the body tissues. Then we have got one more very good quality of conch, that it's very good for regeneration. Where is regeneration needed? You must know that where there is tissue degeneration, that is mostly in the chronic diseases, in old age, in toxicities, so there is degeneration of the tissues. And this degeneration you can get better, you can rejuvenate, you can regenerate with conch, this Mucuna pruriens. And then you see one very good quality what has to do with growth promotion. lot of children, they don't get good physique. They don't get that growth what was expected. Someone is not getting length. If you are not getting that build, it means that your growth hormones are not working properly. So this, because it has got something to increase your testosterone, and testosterone is being produced in the testes after excretion in the testes, that goes in the pituitary, and in pituitary that stimulate the secretion of the growth hormone. So it's very good for the children of the age of 12, 13, 14 years, those who are not getting good growth physically. And not to forget, this Kaunch, Mucuna pruriens, is very, very good brain tonic. Because it's brain tonic, then we use this in a lot of depression cases. So it's antidepressant. So we call that manobalya, that it gives strength to brain so that brain can perceive well, so that brain should be able to function normally. So one more quality of Kaunch Mucuna pruriens, what for it's being used so frequently in the practice, that is that it's neurotropic. Neurotropics mean that it strengthens your nerves. And you see in a lot of diseases, this neuropathy is consequences. Neuropathy is consequence of diabetes. So in diabetes, the patient, after so many years, they can get neuropathy. And this being neurotropic, because it strengthens the nerves, so it's very good in this type of cases. So in alcoholism, people, those who are having so much alcohol, and for them also it's very, very good. So in short, we can say that one should use Kaunch in practice not only to cure diseases, but also to prevent that he or she gets that type of problems with age. So it's for the men, it's extraordinary product, but for females also it can be used for lot other benefits. I hope that I have made my point clear. Kaunch is easily available everywhere and can be used for a longer period without any side effects. So thank you very much. See you again.